Hey everyone, welcome back to the FHMB channel. And if you're joining for the first time, I am Gav, the fat hairy mountain biker. And in this episode, I'm still bikeless. Let's crack on. So, update on the bike situation. With the Caliber Boss Nut, Go Outdoors have rung me and said they've spoke to Caliber. Caliber said it's a warranty issue and they're going to send out a full rear triangle to repair the job. So I'm not sure how long that's going to take, so I may either pick my bike up and wait for it to arrive or just leave it with them, depending how long. And with the high bike and power bikes, I spoke to them Thursday and he was going to get on it and let me know what he's found out, and then they'll send it back to me. So I'm still bikeless. So I've actually borrowed my son's bike. I actually set the, you may have seen the video, set the front tyre up tubeless, and then I run out of sealant, so I couldn't set the back tyre up tubeless, but I decided to bring it out for a blast anyway, and I might do a bit of a review on the Carrera Vengeance. I will get it right. Vengeance, the Carrera Vengeance, 2019 I think it is, 2019 Carrera Vengeance. So let's see how it goes with a big fat hairy mountain biker on it on the downhill course. Let's crack on. Right, so let's drop in for the first run on the Carrera Vengeance. This is the first time I've gone on a downhill track on a hardtail, and this is a size small as well, so it's a bit small for me, but let's see how it goes. Let's crack on. That jump was a bit rough, but it likes the berms. And Squishy Muffin was alright. Yeah, not bad. Right, let's drop in for run number 2. See if I can get it a bit faster and a bit smoother. Let's crack on. Well, that's definitely faster. You got the same massive top out bang that I had with the other SR Sun tires on the high bike. Just don't rate these forks. But they are only budget, so I guess they do the job. Right, let's have a little blast down the XC course. See how it corners. Let's go. Terrible. Is how it corners. Oops. Right, let's try again. And this time try not to come off. Let's go. Oh, much better. Much better. Oh, we're going for the hip. Come on, you can do it. Oh, yes. Apart from that massive top out bang, actually handles that course really well. Right, so the Carrera handles the downhill track quite well with a fat hairy mountain biker on it. It goes down the XC track really well, just my talent let me down at the top. Now, dare I hit the little step up that I made between these two trees. Now the bars on this are a lot smaller, I think they're only like, I don't know, 720 or something, really small. And the front shock's like a pogo stick, it really kicks you, and there's no adjustment on it. There's a bit of preload, but next to nothing. Let's hit it. Right, it's that familiar view through them trees. Right, let's hit it, see what happens. Whoa. Right. Let's try again. That was better. Well, let's try third time lucky. See that one, that was getting better. I'm really starting to enjoy this bike. Let's go again. Right, I think that'll do before I come off and injure myself. Right, so let me give you my thoughts on the Carrera Vengeance. Well, what can I say? So, the wheels are a bit skinny, they're 27.5s, and they're not tubeless ready, but I've converted it to tubeless, and it can handle a big fat hairy mountain biker doing jumps on it, which it is not made for. So as far as the wheel set goes, yeah, pretty strong. They are double wall. Yeah, strong wheels, not bad. Forks, now for the jumps, I mean, it handles me on it, so that's got to be a good thing. They're only 28 mils with 100 mil travel. So over the jumps, it works, they're not the best. But for the journey here, just to cross country, yeah, they take away the bumps from the front, the smaller bumps. They're not so good on the big bumps, but yes, for general trail riding, they're fine. The frame, aluminium frame, is super lightweight. I know this is only a small, but it's just don't weigh anything. I think it's under 14 kilograms. It's really lightweight, and obviously, again, it's strong because it can handle me on it doing stupid stuff. And what else can I say about the frame? Yeah, the frame's good. The brakes, now these are mechanical disc brakes. I think the Tektros, yeah. 160 front and rear discs, and they're quite powerful. They're powerful enough to stop me. I mean, they're nothing compared to a hydraulic. I can still use one finger on it, but it does come with like a 3-finger lever. I can use one finger, but like my son, I think he has 3 fingers on it. So yeah, they're good. They do the job. What else we got on here? The geometry, it's obviously set up as a cross country with a not very steep head angle on it, so it handles that well. It's got quite a short stem on it. I think that's a 60, which gives it a nice feel when you sat on it. The seat's really comfy. The gears, Shimano Altus 24 speed. with the old front derailleur, 3-cog at the front. I mean, they do the job. It's got a massive range on it. The shifters do feel a little cheap and clicky, but they do the job. At this price point, I can't expect any more. So there we go, that's about it. I can't think anything else I want to say about it. I'm very impressed. For what it is, the really low entry-level hardtail, it's very impressive. Right, that's it for this one, people. Quick review on my son's Carrera Vengeance. Decent little bike, that. Quite impressed with it. And it is Mothering Sunday, so I just want to say a huge happy Mother's Day to Mum, and to all the mums out there, happy Mother's Day. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button, maybe even subscribe. I'll get some merch, and I'll catch you in the next one.